Good day, everyone. Good day, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. I harvested my broccoli today because I realized that the wasps were eating my broccoli. I didn't realize that the wasps do feed on broccoli, but I realized there's some spots which were being chewed, and I saw a couple of wasps running around there. I think I need to buy a net so I can cover my veggies because everyone is feeding on my veg now. I've got some snails. They were all over my broccoli, and I've got wasby. I've got some rabbit that comes at night in my garden. And I've got not many rats, but it's snails, it's wasby, it's rabbit, it's meerkat. And I have to harvest it. I wasn't ready to harvest it today, but I realized I had to harvest it because they're gonna finish everything. They're gonna finish the sweet thing. Let me take you down so you can see where I harvested my broccoli. It's sunny. I've taken out this one and this huge one. I still got some snail. They're so huge. And this one is still coming. I don't know what's happening with my pumpkin. There's a lot of wasps here, and they're feeding on my plants. Look at that. You see. Now I'm fighting the wasp. Jesus. They've bite me. I had a bite 2 weeks before of a wasp, and it was not fun at all. They all over my garden. Everything is eating my plants. I've got some watermelon over there that is coming. I tend to mix my plants. So I hope it grows before anybody sees it. I got some cucumber there, and I've got another one. This one has been eaten by rabbit or snail, I don't know. So we've got some issue. I'm not planting for myself. I need a net so I can cover my garden, my little garden, and I want to make it bigger, but I need something to cover it. So not everybody can get a free snack all the time. Those wasbi are so rude. They can bite you without you even doing anything to them. They just bite me while I was passing by. They bit me. I don't know how to get rid of them. I need to get rid of them because they have made a couple of nests in my house. There, it's their nest. Don't know if you can see it. Scared to get close by. I've been beaten without even doing anything. I was just passing and this thing came on my ears so hard. I was trying these ones. So they do grow, but they ain't as big, I guess. So because I still need to dig more the soil, so that's why I planted them here. Also, I wanted to try if this system works, but I got some couple that are coming up, so let's see how they're doing. But I don't think this one is the first one that came. Now the size is similar to this one. This one is recent, but I can see the similar size. I got some mango. My mango is dying. I don't know what happened because when I came here, I put them into a pot. I don't know if that pot didn't have hole or the soil that I exchanged it to didn't like it. So my mango tree looks like it's not happy. I've got another one, another fruit there that is coming. I still need to put these pawpaw trees on the ground. I still need to put this on the ground. That's where I harvest. I'm sorry, not harvest, but I cut all my sweet potato vine, you know. So, I got some. Oh, is land. These are potatoes and these supposed to be peppers. These are tomatoes that are coming out. And I've got some strawberry. Strawberry is coming nicely. I still got little strawberry that is coming. I'll run out because strawberry spread quickly. I will run out of space. I will need more space. When I put my strawberry, this is another strawberry. Whoa. The strawberry is coming nicely. Yo. Whoa. I've got some tomato. These are another peppers. This is the avocado tree. I've got so many. I'm trying to plant a fruit tree. These are the seedling of tomatoes. I've got some peas that are coming. Yeah. I've got someone disturbing me while I'm trying to shoot my video. This is another guava. This is the orange. orange tree. This is where I'm gonna end my video, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, guys. See you on my next video.